In this video, I'm going to show you how to skip the Bullx waitlist. So when you first try to go ahead and log into Bullx, it is going to take you to a Telegram channel, and the Telegram channel will look something like this. So you will need to go ahead and try to type in a start and press on that link, and then it will say that you're currently numbered some obscure number on the waitlist. However, you guys could actually go ahead and skip that waitlist if you first log into Bullx using a partner link. Now, I actually have my very own partner link that you guys could use in the link description down below and in the pinned comment, and whenever you press on that, it is gonna bypass this waitlist, and basically you can even make your very own link as well. So once you went ahead and use my link, it's gonna say congratulations, your access code has been redeemed, and all you need to do is press on login, and then it is gonna direct you to the Bullx website, and from there you can go ahead and just create an account. And if you guys want to make your very own link so that you could share it to your friends, here's how you do it. So all you want to do is you want to go to the left menu, then you want to scroll down until you see this option that says referral. It kind of has like this earn button over here, and you can even make some money with it, which is honestly pretty cool. So you need to get Twitter in order for this to work, and basically once you retweet the Bullx tweet, it is going to give you access to your referral code, and from here you can go ahead and press on this button that says share, and then share it with all your friends, and therefore you guys can go ahead and earn some money. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.